I am going to show you how to remove the SeaDoo carburetor on a 92 SeaDoo Jetski. So the first thing that you need to do is pop off that little bracket, holding the intake pieces all together. And then you get to look for the pieces that you dropped in the bottom of the Jetski. So you try not to drop all the pieces because it's very, very difficult to find them because stainless steel is magnetic. It's not magnetic. So yeah. Anyway, next you remove the air silencer box and the funny little purple piece, and then you throw that away because you don't need it. Then you can take off the next piece and take off the flashback filter. Then you can disconnect the throttle cable and the torque rod down there. Okay. Then you can lift that off. Okay, first you take this off. You take the return line off. Then you do the fuel pump sucky line. You take that off. Then you take the fuel inlet line off. And so this might take me a minute to go to a commercial break. Okay, then there are 4 bolts on the intake manifold cover. There's one over here. Then there's one over there. Then there are 2 on the bottom. One that is very, very incredibly hard to get to, but once you take that off of you, that's time to get very, very easy. Next, you can disconnect the oil line. You can plug it with something. This is what the engine looks like with the carbs removed. There's actually supposed to be a rotary valve there. Not sure where that went, but I'll have to find it before I put it back on. The carburetor is from the intake cover. You're going to need a white bladed screwdriver, like this. Just wait a moment. One just like this. Then you take that and you pop that off. Then you remove the 2 nuts securing the carburetors to the intake manifold. Okay, the one side to take the nuts off, that is very easy. However, the other side of the carburetor is a bit more difficult to take the nuts off. So you kind of have to move the little lever thing here to kind of do a little turny kind of thingy to get the nuts off. Once you get the nuts off, then you can pop the carburetors off. And then to remove the intake manifold from the rotary valve cover, all you need to do is take these bolts out once the carburetor has been removed.